We live in a time when smartphones are more powerful than laptops. Phones fold, roll, and even talk back to us. The future is now. And yet, here I am, holding a piece of the past. The Nokia 8800D. A phone that doesn't try to compete, because it already won in a completely different era. So why talk about it now? What does a device like this mean in today's world? Let's rewind for a second. The Nokia 8800D was never about specs. It wasn't designed to be affordable, or even practical by mass market standards. It was designed to be luxurious. When it launched, it wasn't just a phone. It was a status symbol. Stainless steel body, sliding mechanism that felt like closing a luxury car door. Sapphire-coated glass. Even the ringtone was composed by a symphony orchestra. This phone whispered class, not screamed tech. Now, look at phones in 2025. They're bigger, smarter, thinner. They unlock with your face, take professional-level photos, and run AI that can write essays, edit videos, and translate languages in real time. And yet, somehow, none of them feel like the 8800D. The moment you pick it up, you're reminded of what a phone used to be. It had one purpose: to connect you. Calls, texts, maybe a few basic tools. No distractions, no doom scrolling, no algorithm trying to hijack your attention. Just you and the people you care about. In a way, it feels refreshing. Today, we're bombarded with notifications, updates, emails, messages, ads. Sometimes, it's exhausting. And that's where the Nokia 8800D becomes more than a phone. It becomes a statement, a conscious choice to disconnect from the noise. It's not about going backward, it's about simplifying. Of course, you won't find a high-res camera here. No apps, no app store. Internet? Technically, yes, but you really wouldn't want to use it. This phone isn't trying to replace your smartphone. It's reminding you that maybe, just maybe, you don't need to be online all the time. For some, it's a digital detox. For others, it's a backup phone. For collectors, it's a masterpiece. And for the nostalgic, it's a portal to simpler times. The sound of the slider alone, that click, is enough to bring back memories of late-night texts, missed calls from your crush, the days when phones lived in your pocket, not in your hands 24/7. So, is the Nokia 8800D still worth owning in 2025? If you're looking for speed, performance, apps, no. But if you're looking for elegance, simplicity, and a break from the chaos, absolutely. It's not for everyone. But maybe. That's the point. This is the Nokia 8800D. Timeless, iconic, unapologetically different. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech nostalgia and modern perspective.